Alright, welcome to yet another vlog. This time we in an C63 AMG Mercedes on our way to Stockholm from Gothenburg. It's a whole day vlog, day in a life sort of thing, whatever they call it. Got some errands in Stockholm, quick things. So a couple of meetings, eat some good dinner, and of course, trade while we're at it. We are in an EJ trade that just started, so not much has happened. I got stopped out this night in profit and now re-entered in a more discounted position. So we'll see how that goes. I'm looking for an entry on gold as well. I wanted to dip a little bit so I can enter on gold. But that's basically it. Driving 4 hours to Stockholm now and trading all the way. We got news in the same time. Euro news now 9:15, then 9:30. Then we get GBP news 10 o'clock. So it's a USD news. I think it was 2:30 or 3 o'clock, something like that. So we have a eventful day on the markets. But with that said, let's put some speed into this. All right, so Euro news, sorry. Just released a little bit bullish for Euro. As you see, it's trying to push up a little bit. I don't know how the news came out. I haven't checked it yet. I'm just looking at the chart, looking good. It's getting a beautiful pump here. This is how we love to see the news. Pump, baby, pump to the moon. All right, so first news came out 9:15. Went very bullish for us. What I'm doing now is I'm closing this position here, almost $600 in the bank. Boom, done. And I'm letting this one run because I have good margin, obviously. I actually suspect that it will come more bullish news now, 9:30. So we'll see. We got about 3-4 minutes to go. Boom. Until we're there. So I'll see you guys, 9:30. It's 9:30, so let's see if it will keep pushing the euro up. Yo, as you see, the news came out very bullish for euro. I think so, at least, if this is not a liquidity grab, but it looks so. So thing is pumping very good. I think so good that I even have to zoom out to hourly candles, because otherwise I can't see really where we are. Another thing, don't drive and trade, especially don't drive a fucking 600 horsepower car and zigzag traffic while you're trading. But besides that, we're doing all good. I closed one position before the news. I kind of regret it now, but yeah, we want to cash in. Always, as I always say, secure your bags. This position is running good, and I'm gonna let it run for quite some while because the upwards potential on this trade is like 200 more pips. So this is actually a swing trade. So I'm gonna let this one run. I have a perfect position now, perfect entry. And yeah, man, what more can you ask for on a beautiful Tuesday morning like this? Let's go to Stockholm, man. You know the word gas? All right, so far 2,300 in profits. I have a position that is still running. It's about $400 in profits, and we got to do those profits because this is what's happening. This is where all the profits goes. We trade, we make profits, the car eats it up, and then we starve. Then I gotta go shoplifting because I ain't got enough money to buy food. Then I gotta go sleep in the car because I ain't got enough money to pay the rent. That's how it is.
Maybe there's something on my table that may be kept missing from my kids.
If you wanna,
so 100%
make time pass in a good way when you're traveling or when you're doing a road trip. You have Raja Banks, you have Words of Wisdom in the background. So shout out to Riz, Words of Wisdom, best trading podcast out there.
That's kind of where it started.
And listening to Raja Banks right now.
From there, you then obviously came across the sales job and heard about the sales. And I definitely always say that sales itself is a skill set.
All right, so errands done, and when you run errands, what happens? You get hungry. So If you guys don't know, I'm half Eritrean, I'm half Polish. My father's from Eritrea, and we love the Habesha food. Injera is the best thing ever, and I have been missing it. I haven't eaten it for a while now, so let's nyam into this. My people, short instruction on how you're eating injera. This is how you do it. You take some of the kulwa meat, yummy, 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 and then you take some of the zigni, and then you take some of the spinach. You can actually take whatever you want, salad, and then you dip all of this in the spices here. Boop, 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 boop. Make a nice roll up like this, whatever, and then you eat it. Pleasure. Pleasure. It's good. Alright, so errands done, meetings done, I don't know what, more errands done, food done. You guys saw what we eat, man. Got quite some coma after that. And now, the last thing, this is like a sacred routine that I have always when I come to Stockholm before I'm going back, is to visit my big bro. A lot of you don't know that I have a big brother, but here's my big brother, Andre. We look alike, right?
Same. How was the day?
Yeah, well, so we live in Stockholm and back to Gothenburg, and the day was slightly bit hectic, but it was okay. We have the weather with us. Good old sunshine, which is very unusual in Sweden. So when you get sunshine here, you gotta be happy and enjoy it. But we've been spending most of the day in the car, meetings, errands, this and that. Even got to see my big brother. Trading has been good. Actually, I want to see how my EJ trade is wrapping up. Oh, it's going up. It's going up.
It's a beauty.
Still flying. So we are more than happy. Almost 3K in profit today. Yeah, man, definitely a good day. Cannot complain on that. And now we just gotta make our way back home. I'm starting to get quite tired, so just hoping I don't fall asleep on the way. But that's it. Nothing more important to report. I'll see you guys in Gothenburg.